Google unveiled a new version of its agentic coding app, Google Antigravity 2.0, with an updated desktop app, a CLI tool at Google I/O 2026. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The company launched its anti-gravity tool last year as a response to agentic coding software such as Cursor. The company said that with the new desktop app, users can use multiple agents and execute tasks simultaneously. Plus, you can design custom sub-agent workflows and schedule tasks that can automatically run in the background. The new app also lets you integrate projects with Google AI Studio, Android, and Firebase. A lot of this is powered by the company's new Gemini 3.5 Flash model, which was co-developed using anti-gravity. Google's also adding a voice command support to anti-gravity, and it's launching a new Antigravity CLI or command line interface tool for programmers as well. With all this, we're also getting an anti-gravity SDK for developers to build custom agents based on Google's coding tool. The company will allow Google Cloud customers to connect to anti-gravity to build projects. It'll be released in AI Studio for enterprise users to get started. There's also an anti-gravity export tool in AI Studio for developers to export their existing project and carry on the work locally. Google is using anti-gravity's chops in consumer products like search. Here, users will be able to build mini apps while exploring a topic within search. But AI limits might stop you from using these tools to the full potential. So you can get AI Ultra Plan priced at $100, offering 5 times higher AI limits in anti-gravity than the Pro Plan. Other AI labs like Anthropic and OpenAI have also added different monthly plans in the last few years to create a tiered system for users with different AI usage requirements. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.